Today I'm going to be adding this runner rug to our hallway. In this video, I'm going to give you an up-close look at the rug and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video, however all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. The rug has a non-slip backing, but it is not as rubbery as some of the non-slip backings that I have seen recently. It has nice stitching along the edge to keep it from fraying. The fabric is very soft, but it does leave some fuzzies, so I would recommend washing this. It is machine washable when it comes out of the package. That way you don't have the little fuzzies. This rug does not have an odor like some things that you get out of the package. And it looks fantastic in our hallway. It breaks up the tile and just brings everything together. The pattern on this is absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking for a runner for a hallway or even in front of a small space like in front of a bed, I would not hesitate to recommend this one.